As we go through the next few days, Doug and Nicole, we need to pay attention to the weather. We're going to be dealing with the potential strong to severe storms going into Wednesday and Thursday. But tomorrow, pool weather, 90 degrees, another humid day ahead for you. Small rain chances, maybe at 20% going into tomorrow night. But you notice that the coverage goes up to 50% Wednesday to 60% on Thursday. Front moves in, a better chance of that instability in place. So let's talk about this alert a little bit more for you. Strong to severe storms are going to be possible both Wednesday and Thursday. The severe threats, again, large hail and damaging winds. The biggest threats, I'm not going to rule out the chance of some localized flooding both Wednesday and Thursday because the ground's so saturated, and that's why we've been so humid over the past few days. So let's walk you through this a little bit more. Here's your severe threat from the Storm Prediction Center on Wednesday, and you notice that the majority of North Texas under that slight risk of any storms reaching the severe limits. So it's at level 2 out of 5 levels. And then into Thursday, already that 15% chance that some of those storms will reach severe limits. I won't be surprised if we get a slight risk of severe also for Thursday. First Alert Futurecast, I showed this to you at the top of the newscast. Tomorrow, that mix of sun and clouds greeting you. The dry line is going to be developing out to the west. Some dry line storms trying to pop up. As we go into the evening hours, we are looking to see if any of the activity would work its way in the south sides of North Texas. Might see a little bit as we get closer towards about 2 or 3 in the morning. But as we go through the day Wednesday, cold front's going to be moving its way in from the northwest. We start to see some development in the early afternoon hours. Then by the time we go to 3 or 4 o'clock, southeast of the frontal boundary, the cap looks like it's going to weaken enough that we have these storms that will punch through that, and then complex of storms developing as we go into the early evening hours, sliding southeast. Heavy rain, maybe some large hail and damaging wind gusts with that. Front does not make its way all the way through. It stalls out. So we're going to continue to see that activity as we go into the evening hours on Wednesday. A little bit of a lull going into Wednesday night, then into Thursday morning. But then as the front moves back north as a warm front, we have that moisture in place, the instability, and the dry line develops out to the west. That means, again, going into Thursday afternoon, the potential of strong to severe storms. Some of that activity shifting its way south as we go into Thursday evening. So just keep your eyes on it. Have the cloud cover continuing to increase as we went through the day today. That moisture content also increasing for us as we went through the late afternoon hours. So still a warm night. We're at 83 degrees with a south wind at 14. We start out tomorrow morning with temperatures that are going to be in the mid 70s. So warm start. We have that mid 70 warm again for us on Wednesday morning. Thursday seeing 84 degrees. Friday 92. I want to alert you to the fact as we go into the holiday weekend, while the rain chances drop down, the temperature goes up. It's going to be 93 to 94, but then feeling possibly like 103 to 105.